Viewers, now I'm going to show you how to prepare an asparagus. First of all, this is a very good starter with poached egg and hollandaise. So the way to prepare the asparagus, you take so they keep it in a balance. Look at that. This is the hard bit. That means that's perfect. Now we're going to prepare the rest of it. Viewers, for the asparagus, we're going to put we got some salted water and we're going to blanch them. Viewers, they've been blanched for a couple of minutes. We take them off. Now we're going to present it. Viewers, that's our asparagus. That's our yummy poached egg. And we got a beautiful hollandaise on top. We got tiny bit of cayenne pepper, little bit of pepper, normal black pepper as well in the same time. Viewers, that's my beautiful poached egg, asparagus, poached egg and hollandaise. And they looks pretty. Enjoy and bon appetit, my beautiful asparagus and poached egg with hollandaise. Enjoy.